Hey everybody, just Ron here. Make sure you go in and hit subscribe, like. Please add some comments to my videos. I'm trying to get my channel up. Appreciate all the support. Just wanted to post a really quick video here about I live close to Baltimore-Washington International Airport, and in the morning I woke up a little bit early and looked out my window and saw this bright light and all this crazy noise coming from the direction of the airport. So I just want to get everybody's input on what do you think it was. You conspiracy theory people out there, you can join into as well. But it just kind of freaked me out to hear my whole house rattle, and it took about 15-20 seconds for me to get out the door and get my phone to record. But take a look at it and let me know what you think. Once again, just Ron. Everybody take care.